In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Ladies and gentlemen, respected teachers, and honorable chief guest, Assalamu alaikum. I have think about the topic. Today is that no power can undo Pakistan. अकाबी रोह जब बेदार होती है नौजवानों में, अकाबी रोह जब बेदार होती है नौजवानों में, नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में. On this remarkable day of Pakistan, which is 23rd of March, if we take our inspiration and guide from the Holy Quran, the final victory of once again will be ours. Don't for a moment imagine that your enemies can ever succeed in their designs, but at the same time, don't make the Lord situation facing you. Don't be overwhelmed by the enormity of the task. You are made of succeeding material and are second to none. Why should you also not succeed like many others, like your own forefather? You are a nation whose history is replete with people of wonderful great and character and heroism. Live up your tradition, add to it another chapter of glory. Ladies and gentlemen, all I require of you know is that every one of us to whom this message reaches must owe to himself and be prepared to sacrifice his all, if necessary, in building up Pakistan as a bulwark of Islam and as one of the greatest nations whose ideal peace within peace. Don't be afraid of death. Our religion teaches us always prepare for death. Ladies and gentlemen, if we are right, we cannot fail. We shall live and not die. There is no power on earth can undo Pakistan. Wassalam.